So how's it going, guys? So this is a Japanese ETC card reader that I picked up when I was in Japan. Here's the model number, and pretty much I have one of these inside my Nugget and also the Taco. And for you JDM enthusiasts, you know how nice of a touch to have these in your car. As you can see, with it installed, we would have a nice Japanese lady talking to us. In this car we have nothing. So the plan is, a long time ago I installed this janky interior light, so it already gives us a positive and a ground. And yeah, now I have these working, so I'm gonna go ahead and use the wiring, pre-existing wiring that I have, to install this ETC card reader. It's not really a super hard to do, but it's just a nice little JDM touch to add to your vehicle. Here goes the unit. So once you open it up, it comes with the unit itself. Let's open it up. It'll come with the ETC card reader that's right here. Also, I'll come in with this wiring, and also the main thing that makes this pop, it's the speaker where you hear the nice Japanese lady. So it does come with a 3M double-sided tape that you can put in the back. So our plan is to install this into my G35. I would have to find where I place it, but first step before we work on the car is, before you do any type of electrical into your car, you just want to go ahead and disconnect the negative, which we'll be doing right now. So you want to let it sit for a while. So we are going to be modifying this harness and cutting it down to length. Some of the tools you'll need is wire cutters, some good bud connector crimpers, and also a set of terminals. That way we can kind of make this all work. So I did go ahead and take off the cover right here, and this exposes the previous wires I did. So what I'm going to be doing is just tracking it all down. Seems like I do have a positive and a negative coming from here, so I might just run the negative all the way down to the desirable spot where do you have a positive. So I'm just gonna go ahead and follow this one and shorten it so we can go ahead and connect our ETC card reader power wiring. So we went and snipped the wiring right here, and now basically I took out the positive that I don't need, is right there. So I relocated this ground. I'm gonna run it all the way down here where we have access to our positive and also negative. And I was gonna go ahead and I'm thinking of mounting the card reader probably somewhere around this area. So we'll kind of see where I put it. I may have to extend that negative, but we'll just play it by ear. Now that we kind of have everything routed, have an idea what we want, here's some nice crimpers. Basically I cut off the old connection, put these on. Soldering is always better, but I don't have a soldering kit. With the crimpers, nice and strong, it's not going to go anywhere. So let's continue. So the next test is, you want to make sure we did connect it right there to our negative and to our positive. So now we want to check the harness, put the car in accessory, and see if we get any power. That way we know our wiring is good. And as you can see, it's working good, meaning that we have a good connection. And I do have my tester connected right there, and that's the positive with male and female ends, and the negative male and female ends. So now we're gonna go ahead and start cleaning everything up. I'm gonna go ahead and disconnect the battery meanwhile and just kind of clean everything up. We'll be back. All right guys, so I got a little dark on me. I'll sign to my little bro. So here's the speaker, run it through right there, through the side cover pillar, kind of tucked everything in there. And now here's the location of the ETC card reader. Try to do it as flush as I could. Sorry it got dark on me, guys. So there you go, guys. There goes the ETC card reader, and have everything all put away now. The speaker's located right there. So let me try to turn it on, that we can guys gonna see what she says. So there you go, guys. So we added a little bit of JDM flavor to the G35. considering that I already had pre-existing ground cable and power cable, it wasn't too hard. This kit for the Panasonic is very easy to install. On my Nugget, I did have a different Pioneer ETC card reader, and that one proved to kind of be more of a pain in the ass, but it's just a nice little feature if you just want to give your car that little spaz. So not much of a complex install, just have some good butt connectors and crimpers and stuff like that, and it's not that bad of an install. All right guys, thanks for watching.